Okay guys, in this video I will show you how we bypass some antiviruses using our Python reverse shell. As we know, if we used reverse shell for one of the most popular penetration testing frameworks such as Metasploit, if we generated one from MSF Venom and we will use this reverse shell or this payload to attack a remote machine, we will have a problem with that because this reverse shell for Metasploit will be exposed and will be defined as a malware from the antiviruses. So we will scan the three main reverse shell that we created. We created actually two reverse shells before. We created one using py2exe and the second one using Pyinstaller, and we show you how we can use them to attack systems and how we can control the systems using the reverse shells that we created. Now we will compare between them using virustotal.com website, and we will scan each one and see the result and what is the best one that you have to use during any penetration testing attack. So we will upload. The first one will be where is the shells will be the Metasploit one. Then we will upload the py2exe one, and we will finally upload the Pyinstaller version of the reverse shell. And as we can see, uploading finished, computing hash. So I will just pause the recording until it will finish. Okay guys, we finished scanning all the files actually, and we can see that the Metasploit reverse shell actually is detected from 48 from 64 antiviruses, and we can see them. But I want to make sure that you guys realize that this is a scan time scan, not a runtime. In the runtime, it will be different. But in a scan time, yeah, we get the right results for a scan time scan. As we can see, this is the Metasploit reverse shell scan result, and this is the py2exe, which is detected from 2 from 63, just 2 from antiviruses detect our reverse shell, which is semantic and essential one. I think I haven't heard before about this antivirus setting engine. Okay, machine learning module. It's just detected from 2 from 63 antiviruses. Actually, this is a great result for a reverse shell. For the Pyinstaller one, we can see that it's detected by 15 from 64 antiviruses also, and we can see it's not good result to be detected in this way for a scan time. It's not good enough, but it's good. It's not actually something you can depend on, but we can see it's better than the Metasploit one. It's better, and you can see also the py2exe is the best. Actually, is the best reverse shell that we programmed. Even it was used the same reverse shell code as you noticed and as we saw before. So if you want to test, I can just test that a quick way. This is the Metasploit one, and of course I set up. Oh, sorry, here I set up a netcat listener before, and we can see. Yep, we get a shell. Who am I? We get the result. I will exit it. That will clear netcat again. I will run the py2exe shell. As we can see, who am I? Anything that we send is already get executed, and the result will get back to us without any problem. That will just close this. Netcat again. That will reverse shell. Py installer. Sorry, I have to yes here. Okay, and we can see that who am I have a good result here, but I want to tell you guys that there is a difference between these three files. Actually, the Metasploit one got 72 kilobytes, and it's the smaller size between them. The reverse shell got approximately 5 megas. Reverse shell with a Pyinstaller get approximately 4 gigabyte, and we can see that the Metasploit one is the smaller one, or the yeah, the smaller one between them, and the py2exe is the got the average one, and the largest file was the sorry, the py2exe got the largest file, and the Pyinstaller got the average size of them. So you can compare more features for them later on, but mainly I want to show you guys what is the results between them, and what is the results and the difference between them, of course. And I hope you guys to look more about them and to can write more codes and different techniques to bypass the antiviruses. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you in the next lecture.